Hey everyone, it's now 6:24 on November 16th, 2024. And on this week's episode of White and Bleached Oak, this is what might be an Emerson Hardwood. Not 100% sure, but that's what I presume it to be. Considering the fact that it's got the same kind of vents as you'd find on early hardwood. I want to say it was manufactured at least 30 years ago, maybe more like 35. And it doesn't say the Emerson logo on it, on the switch housing anywhere that you can see. There's a reverse switch right there. The side band, you can see a little bit of the top of the motor there, and let's look at the blades. Yep, just and like it was something I added, and it's an LED light. It has an LED bulb attached to it, a real small one inside, that I got brand new from Ollie's Bargain Outlet a couple years back. And so yeah, I got this fan off Facebook Marketplace like 6 months ago, and maybe it was a little bit more recent than that. I don't really remember for sure, but I got presuming it to be an Emerson Hardwood. However, if you can see the holes right beneath the blade arms, it's got those vents in the motor. That indicates it was manufactured by Alaska. And either way, it's in Alaska. But it, however, it sequences high, medium, low like every other fan. So this is just some, I guess, some weird variation of it. I don't really know for sure. But it does have the same kind of canopy as an Emerson that kind of bolts to the bottom of the mounting bracket that you screw in. I got that screw at Ace Hardware. I just have one in there right now because I do swap out fans pretty periodically in this spot. So just leave this up for, I'm gonna leave this up until further notice. And I'll probably put my Faraday Green Emerson Designer Series there, so I know I'm giving a little sneak peek of what's to come, but and this does not have the detachable switch housing on it. As you can see, it's got the more generic, see the screw right there, that means it's not detachable, and it's the more generic switch housing. And the motor finish and the fan finish and the light fitter finish are the motor looks slightly off white, but anyway, you can't really tell in this kind of setting. And I really love this white and bleached oak combo, if you can see right there. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's really neat with the light out. So anyway, let's rev it up first on low. That brings me back to 1996, the white and bleached oak combo, mind you. It's got a little bit of a hum to it. I guess that's common with most Alaskas. And this might be the same thing as what was sold at Kmart in the early 90s under the Global Winds label. Although that one was completely rosewood and had the same kind of blade arms you see here. But anyway, let's just bump this up to medium. May as well be Emerson, given the amount of air it's cracking out on medium, mind you. Now let's bump it up to high, shall we? There we go. Make a little bit of noise, but she's cranking out air. It's a good air mover. I just balanced the blade so it runs pretty stable now. It runs more poised. I guess that sound is indicative of bearing issues, but anyway, we'll do spin down. It's a decent fan despite that crackling sound. But it's good for where I have it right now, so it's a good thing I tested it. Didn't put it anyplace else. That's a little bit better. When I hold it this angle, the globe can obscure that LED light in the background, giving the glare. Alright, fan has ceased operation, and before I end here, let me show you a sneak peek. This is a Hunter Biarritz / Excalibur from 1989. I've had that for a while. It's another backlog, so you'll see that in another video. But anyway, this concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.